Croeso I Pencadlys, Cymdeithas Pêl-droed Cymru yng Nghaerdydd. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales headquarters in Cardiff for today's FAW Trophy Round 1 draw. It's just 3 months since Chirk 3A's lifted the trophy in Aberystwyth against Penlan. Just 3 months, since Chirk lifted the trophy against Penlan. And I'm delighted to be joined by Mark Jones, who knows a little bit about a cup run himself. Mark, you managed Carmarthen to Welsh Cup glory, Port Talbot to the Welsh Cup final. What's it like for a side to go on a cup run?
Wonderful. It just sets your season up if you get a good cup run. Every footballer will tell you the league is the main priority, but the cup, it can be the icing on the cake for the season, and it's always fantastic to have a cup run. People want to play in big games, and long runs in cup competitions usually mean you play in big games.
And there's a particular team you're looking out for in today's draw. Who's that?
The great Grange Albions from Grangetown, a town where I was born and bred and played when I started. A wonderful history at the club, and we hope we draw somebody decent and at home today.
Good stuff. Well, we've got 162 entries for the FAW Trophy this season, which is a record for the FAW. It's a 10% increase on last season, which really shows the growing interest in this competition. It's fantastic to see more participation. There's 76 clubs will go into the draw today. We've split that down into 4 different draws: a southeast, a southwest, a northeast and a northwest. And there will be 82 teams that will go directly into round 2 with byes, and then 4 teams that reached the semi-final last season will go directly into round 3. Those teams being Chirk, the champions, Penlan, the runners-up, Llangefni and Surrey Sports, who were both beaten semi-finalists. The first draw that we'll start with is the southeast, 40 teams, 20 ties. Mark, you're going to draw all the balls, and let's go. So the first team out of the hat is Cardiff Corinthians, former Welsh Football League side. And the Corries will play Malpas United from the Gwent County League. Villadina Christchurch, another Gwent County club. And they will play Llantwit Vardra from the South Wales Alliance. Tonopandi Albion against Abercarn United. Clwb Cymric, Welsh language team from the capital city in Cardiff. And they will play Carrickston Barry from the Vale of Glamorgan, South Wales Alliance League side. Llanbradach AFC from Caerphilly. And they will play Grange Albion. So an away draw for Mark's former club.
Yeah, there's that home draw I promised him. Sorry, lads.
Treforest. So a home game at the White Tips Stadium. And they will play FC Tredegar from the Gwent County. Abervalley from Caerphilly. And they will play St Joseph's AFC, a new club into the competition this season. Llanrumney United AFC from the capital city. And they will play Carntown FC from Abercynon. Trebanog and they will play former runners-up Clydach Wasps. Ferndale and District Boys and Girls Club. And they will play Glamorgan Athletic. Halfway through the draw now. Talbot Green Football Club from Milan Tritton. And they will play Blaine Rhondda. Lucas Cambran from the Gwent County. Will play Machen AFC from Caerphilly. Aberfan will play against Ynys Welfare. Pill Football Club from the Gwent County will play Fairfield United. Clanton Liberal, it's a home draw for the capital city side.
That could get me a lager.
And they will play St Albans.
It's a local derby.
Merthyr Saints from the South Wales Alliance League. And they will play Whiteheads Risca from Gwent County. Penydarren Boys and Girls Club from Merthyr. And they will play Caerphilly Town, a new club formed in 2016 after a group of lads went off to the Euros. They won promotion last season in their first year. FC Cwmalan from Cynon Valley. And they will play Graig FC. Canton Rangers, so another home draw in the capital city. And they will play Cwmcarn Athletic. And Dynamo Aber from Caerphilly will play Cogan Coronation from the Vale of Glamorgan. That concludes the south-east draw. We're now going to go straight on to the southwest. That's all in there, thank you, Mark. Bryn Rovers from the Neatham District League. And they will play Kilvey United from the Swansea Senior League. Haken United from the Pembrokeshire Senior League. And they will play Bonamine Colts from the Swansea Senior League. South Gower, former Welsh League club. And they will play Morriston Olympic. So a Swansea derby match. Roxburgh Football Club. Will play against Llangynoed Rangers, another former Welsh League club. Monster Sports from the Swansea Senior League will play against Kevin Cribber Boys Club. Mumbles Rangers, another Swansea side. will play against Pencoed Athletic Amateur, who reached the last 16 last season. Garw Boys and Girls Club, another former Welsh League side, will play Port Tennant Colts. FC Porthcawl. And they will play North End Football Club from the Swansea Senior League. Ragged School, another Swansea club. And they will play Cwm Wanderers from the Neath League. CRC Rangers from Swansea. We'll play Carmarthen Stars from the Carmarthenshire League, a new club into the competition this season. West End Rangers from Swansea. They will play Merlin's Bridge from the Pembrokeshire League. And finally, another Pembrokeshire League club, Goodwick United.
Last one out.
They're at home to Anistawi Football Club. So that concludes the Southwest draw. We're now going to go straight on to the Northeast. So just 8 clubs in the Northeast draw. The majority have been given byes from this area due to their position in the pyramid. So the first home club is Ros Llanchirchog. And they will play Offa Athletic from the North East Wales League. Plasmaddock FC from Wrexham. And they will play Brumbo Victoria, another new club to join the trophy this season. So good Wrexham derby, that one. Chewern FC from Welshpool. And they will play Kevin Mawr Rangers, just been promoted into the Welsh National League First Division. Mostyn Dragons from Flintshire. And they will play from Wrexham, Acton Football Club. So the final draw. Just 4 clubs in the Northwest. And the first team out is Menai Bridge Tigers. And they will play Holyhead Town. And finally, Ieuenctid Bontnewydd, Club Ieuenctid Bontnewydd, and Erbyn Talasan Celts. So that concludes the FAW Trophy Round 1 draw. Thanks very much for tuning in. Those ties are to be played on Saturday the 12th of August. My thanks to Mark for helping us out. The JD Welsh Cup draw will be this week, and the FAW Youth Cup will also be this week, and the FAW Women's Cup also. Please tune in to the FAW website, faw.cymru, and the FA Wales Twitter to find out more information.